Today we're going to be changing out the turn signal switch on our 2009 Ford Mustang. It won't cancel when we turn to the right. Tools you'll need for this is a T10 Torx, a T15, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead or a pry tool to get one clip out. Let's get started. We're going to take out 3 screws underneath the steering wheel. And the third one is so far back you have to pull this panel out. But to get to this panel and get it off, you have to remove this and pull this up. So let's start. Just pull that up like that. And then down here inside your cabin is a clip right there. And we have to pull that clip out in order for this panel to move. Okay. You can pull this out. Slide out easily. In addition, to get this panel off, you're going to have to take out your cluster here. Just put your steering wheel down. It pops right out. You can use your fingers. Just pull on it. Okay. Flip it towards you and sideways out. We'll have to take this piece out, which means we have to remove our console. And there are 2 screws right here, one here and one here. They're both Phillips heads. We've already taken ours out. Pull your emergency brake up. So your emergency brake's all the way up. Then you'll have to take this little bezel out. But when you pull this up, look at that, it comes right out. That's kind of a trick. So you'll have to fool around with a pry tool on that. Now that you have this up and that out, you can pull the front out and then run it up your emergency brake and then slide that out. And then this piece comes right out. Just gotta pull back on it and pull that one out. Now, there are 2 screws underneath here, which are Phillips head screws, one here and one here. We've already removed those, so just use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove those. Pull down on the panel, and it comes right out. Now we just have to remove our 3 T15s, and then the last one is up this canal right here. So let's start with that one first. All right, there's 1, and then here's 2. All right, now that we have those out, we can just pull down on this and pull up on that. It should come out just like that. That's the top. And of course, you have to lower the bottom just a little bit to get to the 2 screws. There's 2 more screws on the side that you have to take out. Now that we have everything off, we have to have another Torx, which is a T10, and there's one right here and one on top. Okay, so let's get started with that. Now that those are out, you literally can slide your mechanism out like this. There's a clip on the back, and it's right there. So turn it over, press your finger in, and it pops right out, just like that. There's our new switch. Just gonna plug it in. Okay. It slides right in. All right, we're gonna give it a try before we button it up. slip in like that and that. Putting this back, you can tell the difference between the screws because this is the longer one, okay? So. Next, we'll do this part. And there's a clip right here, okay? That goes in there, and there's a clip that goes in there. So you can use those as guides. And there's one over here. There we go. Remember, it slides in, tilted forward at you. Side panel back in. We're going to put our console back in. When you're doing this, make sure that this lid is up, or else you won't be able to do it correctly. Put that down and get this. All right. We'll get our 2 screws and we'll put those in. Get your Phillips head screwdriver. Screw these in. Okay, and that's how you change out your turn signal switch on your 2009 Ford Mustang. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.